Hi, it's Garrett Smith with Concentric Industries. Welcome to episode 14 of The Resonance. And I'm going to try to do a quick explanation of our combined cycle. And we're kind of winging it here, so forgive me. This usually takes more than a couple minutes. But here's the basic idea in power generation of what a combined cycle is. Let's say you have a combustion gas turbine right here that is taking in natural gas as fuel, and it drives a turbine generator for electricity, and the waste heat comes off of that turbine into what's called a heat recovery steam generator. And then that steam comes in over here into a steam turbine generator and has more electric production, but without any new fuel production. This is called a combustion turbine or gas turbine. So you have natural gas or oil coming in here. This is what's called the air standard Brayton cycle. Then you run through the steam production from the waste heat into an additional steam turbine for more power generation. So you get more efficiency, you get more output without extra fuel. And then the whole wide variety of applications are that steam can go off to process and do other things. The power can go to data centers. It can be used for cooling. You have aquaponics with the waste heat off the system. And this is some technology that we were involved in pioneering back in the 1980s and 90s, and it's become pretty ubiquitous. This is all over the place in the power industry. The exciting part, what we've added, this is what's called the combined cycle. A lot of times it's called a combined cycle gas turbine plant. And you can do multiple layers of this, multiple gas turbines, multiple steam turbines. But what's neat is what we came up with this year is the combined cycle, the combined plus the combined cycle. And here's what it is, briefly. We take flue gases from this combustion after the heat recovery, convert those into algae, right, through our photosynthetic scrubbing. So the CO2 in the flue gases goes into algae. That in turn goes through renewable electric arc pyrolysis to turn into graphene. You've heard us talking about that, but also additional fuels, syngas, liquid fuels that can go back into this process or back into an engine generator set or any other application. So we're actually taking the waste from a combined cycle plant to make additional fuel. So on its net basis, that means less fuel comes in this way. So when you look at our designs that are going out right now, they're the most efficient thermal power cycles ever in human history because we're making additional fuel already off the back of the most efficient method of power generation. And on top of that, it's pollution free. We are Concentric. Join our green.